Hey everybody, it's Izzy with Be So Creative. Just wanted to talk to you a little bit about the difference between servicing a machine and overhauling a machine. People come in all the time and want to know what is included in service. Well, service is just basic maintenance, cleaning, oiling, to prevent your machine from needing more serious work later on. So just like your car, if you go too long without an oil change and the engine goes out, you can't go into Jiffy Lube and say, change the oil and fix my car. No, it's going to need an overhaul. So when you bring in a machine that has not been serviced in a long time and it needs additional parts, it's also going to need additional labor. So keep your machine serviced and in good condition to avoid costly repairs on another day. Thank you.